A lot of people think that making bandsaw blades is easy and straightforward. Well, it's anything but that. There's a lot of processes that go into manufacturing bandsaw blades, from the heat treating all the way to the final capping and ink jetting before the customer receives this product. We'd like to show you a little bit of how these processes work and what we have to go through to provide the bandsaw blades that we do. The bimetal blade has two pieces to it, the weld edge and the steel backer. And in the old days, we used to electron beam weld the two pieces of metal together. Now we use a laser welding process. And that's a much cleaner process, and it provides a much stronger adhesion to the bimetal process. And then, of course, the blade has to be straight. So it goes through a straightening process. When you start making bandsaw blades, the first thing you have to do is heat treat the blade. And that's really where the proprietary information comes in. The blade has to be heat treated all the way through at a certain temperature, and it has to maintain that temperature. I'm here in the milling department right now, and this is probably the most recognizable part of making bandsaw blades because it has the most moving parts. We used to have milling patterns and mills. Now we've created new milling cutters that last twice as long and give a smoother tooth. And what that means to you, the end user, is it gives you a cleaner cut, and it helps the tooth eject quicker and cleaner, reducing strippage, increasing cutting time, and increasing the overall value to you, our customer, which is why this factory exists. Another process that has changed the composition of our bandsaw blades greatly is the setting process. Years ago, the setting would be done with two hammers alternating on each side. Today, the setting process utilizes AI technology and cameras, and we look at not every fifth tooth, but every tooth, and we inspect every tooth for accuracy and tolerance. And if that tooth, one single tooth, is out of tolerance, the entire line stops. And that's because we can ill afford to have our product go out to our customers and not deliver the production that they expect from Sawblade.com. And at the end here, you'll see how we cap the blade. And the blade is capped here in the factory, and it's done that intentionally. We've gone through great lengths to produce a perfect tooth that is within high tolerance. And what we don't want is the tooth getting damaged during shipping. We want that tooth protected from this factory to you, the end user, who can take the capping off after the blade is put on the bandsaw machine, providing you with the tooth as it was created here in the factory. I'm Christopher Luke, and I'm the managing partner here at Sawblade.com, and we are your competitive advantage.